I'll be using WP forms in this tutorial. Let's have a look at what we're going to put in a pop-up. And this is a preview of that form. It's a simple sign up with a name, first name, last name, and email field. I'll grab the short code, so I'll copy this. Then I'll open up my Popup Maker pop-up. Click Edit. And I'm using the block editor. So I'll add a short code block and paste it in there. I'm going to change the heading above this form so it's more clear what it is when we go to test this. Okay, time to add a trigger. A trigger is what opens the pop-up, or some sort of event that opens a pop-up. The default is a click open. I want to open it automatically, and I want to set a cookie when the pop-up opens so the visitor doesn't see it again once it opens. And Popup Maker does a default one for you. I'm going to change the default because I want to name it something more specific so it's more clear what's going on. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, the default name is POM with the ID of the pop-up. I'm going to add -open. I'll keep the cookie time to 1 month as the default. Let's do some cleanup since I don't need the cookie that was created automatically. I'm going to delete that. I have the custom -open one. And you could see that the on pop-up open cookie is tied to that auto open trigger, and that's what we want. That looks good. Okay, I'm going to save my changes. And then I just want to check the targeting, make sure there's no targeting so the pop-up can display on any page or post. Let's test it. This is the home page. Let's bring the about page up, and there it is, automatically displayed. I'm going to see what the cookies look like, and I could see that the cookie we created is there. -open one. Perfect. Okay, I'll dismiss that. Go to the home page and see what happens. And nothing shows up, and that's what I want. So let's delete the cookie. Reload the home page. Pop-up reappears. Quick check for the cookie one more time. Okay, I'll fill out the form and hit submit. Confirmation message appears. That looks good. Go back to the about page to see what happens there. And it doesn't show. Perfect. I'll check my inbox and see my confirmation email there. Cool. Thanks so much for watching.